The Porsche Cayenne has always been a symbol of power, luxury, and engineering mastery. But the arrival of the 2026 Cayenne Electric marks a complete shift in what the nameplate represents. More than 2 decades after the first-generation model reshaped Porsche's global sales, the Cayenne enters a new era built entirely around electric performance. This is not a simple battery-powered version of the familiar SUV. It is a ground-up reinvention using the latest PPE platform, stretched to deliver both performance and interior comfort, while preserving the Cayenne's bold identity. The Cayenne Electric rides on the same architecture as the Macan Electric, but with an additional 5.1 inches of wheelbase, bringing the total to 119 inches. This increase directly contributes to significantly more rear legroom, giving passengers a level of comfort that rivals flagship luxury SUVs. Yet, despite these practical upgrades, the real story lies in the breathtaking numbers Porsche engineered into this machine. 2 versions launch first, the Cayenne Electric and the Cayenne Turbo Electric. Both feature all-wheel drive, advanced battery cooling, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and some of the most sophisticated electronic control systems Porsche has ever developed. But the highlight is unquestionably the Cayenne Turbo Electric, which produces 844 HP during normal driving. When the push-to-pass boost is activated, the system delivers an additional 173 HP for 10 seconds, unleashing explosive acceleration with just a press of a button. And the figures get even more astonishing. With launch control engaged, the Cayenne Turbo Electric produces up to 1,139 HP and an incredible 1,106 pound-feet of torque. These numbers make it the most powerful production Porsche ever created. The SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds and clears the quarter mile in just 9.9 seconds, solidifying its place among the fastest electric SUVs in the world. Even the regular Cayenne Electric is no slouch, delivering up to 435 HP with launch control and reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Energy recuperation is another major highlight, with braking capable of feeding up to 600 kilowatts back into the battery. Porsche claims that nearly all braking situations rely on regeneration alone, greatly improving efficiency. A new 113 kilowatt-hour battery powers both trims and supports ultra-fast charging at up to 400 kilowatts. This allows a charge from 10 to 80% in under 16 minutes. Porsche is also introducing optional inductive charging, becoming the first automaker in the US to offer wireless EV charging at up to 11 kilowatts simply by parking over a floor pad. On the outside, Porsche sharpens the Cayenne silhouette without reinventing its iconic shape. Slimmer headlights, frameless doors, crisp body lines, and a sleek 3D effect rear light bar give the SUV an aggressive yet aerodynamic look. A drag coefficient of 0.25 makes the Cayenne Electric one of the most efficient vehicles in its class. Hidden aero blades, smart roof spoilers, and active aerodynamic systems constantly adjust to improve stability or reduce drag depending on speed and driving conditions. The interior blends luxury with futuristic technology. Rear passengers benefit from more space, electric seat controls, and advanced comfort features. The dashboard introduces Porsche's new Flow display, with large OLED screens for both driver and infotainment use. A massive 87-inch head-up display with augmented reality guidance is available, along with an AI-powered voice pilot and upgraded entertainment features. Deliveries begin in late summer 2026, with more variants expected in the lineup, including a mid-range Cayenne S and a high-performance GTS. Porsche confirms that combustion and plug-in hybrid versions will continue through the 2030s, ensuring that traditional fans still have choices. But the Cayenne Electric proves one thing clearly: the future of Porsche performance is electric, and it has never looked or felt more powerful.